netong San Beda.
Yes, makita mo. Ang ganda ng matchup ngayon, Martin. Punch na match, lalo na sa malalaki at saka sa small.
Jomel Puno drains his first shot and it's a three-pointer. Para dito sa San Beda Red Lions, Yukian Andrada and the rising star, Jomel Puno. And it's important that Bigay mentioned the rebounding for both teams. They're number 2 and number 3 in rebounding in the season. And Boral nails the outside shot right there. Coach, it's easier said than done to out-rebound Andrada. We're stuck at 7-5 dito sa first quarter. Jericho Nunez, hand off for Abis. Pagaran, scoop to the hoop for Chris Pagaran.
Medyo good decision yun. Alam niya, may difference pa si ano eh. Oo.
Eto, Chris Pagaran, a strong drive to his right. To the delight of the Perpetual.
To slow down itong mga San Beda boys.
But that took away at least 9 seconds of the shot clock nitong San Beda. Now it's at 8. They need to execute quickly. Payosing will attack. Payosing on the feed. What a cut by Songkuya.
Yan yung mga quick side shots.
Over the top. Neto ni Brian Sahonia.
Tagulangan sa to.
Orgo takes another one. This time he'll drain it. Long 2 for Sean.
Yan ang pinakamahirap pantayan sa lahat.
Communicating. Here's the pass. Payosing, driving, slicing, and leaving it for Songkuya. But John Orgo, sabi niya, hindi ako magmimintis ulit. And Coach Olsen liking that shot by Sean. That's basketball. Go Bruce. Blocked by Songkuya.
Nakakapag-inabangan sa nun. Dahil makita mo si Go Cruz, makita mo yung ano yan, pwede sa bumibol, magbaba ng bola.
Pwede, Coach. Ganda pa ng buwelo niya dito. Here's a do-it-all player talking about Marco Cruz. Aaron with a strong move, just couldn't make the shot. Forward pass, RC, touchdown, and that's back-to-back baskets for RC Kalimak.
Instant offense, kaya.
Manuel surveys. Balik sa gilid kay Axel Manuel. Inigo Montemayor now in the ball game for Coach O. Go Cruz. Sends it out. Mensano, Manuel, Montemayor. Punches that one in.
Ganda ng pasensya, yung ikot ng bola. Talagang
patient offense for the Perpetual Altas, leading to a wide open look for Montemayor.
yes, napapagod din eh. That's the way to parang tire them out eh. Itong San Beda eh.
AJ catch and shoot. Royo knocks it down.
Ganon.
6'5", but he's very fast and very agile for his frame. Lina. Speaking of, here's Jomel Puno. Kalimag for 3. Kalimag buries it. And that's designated shooter. Naiwanan sa ilalim si Abis.
Sila doon. Hindi nila nakita yun.
Quick retaliation for Perpetual.
Sa defense. Sa top. Sa tip.
Go Cruz! Count it! And a foul. A potential 4-point play for the super rookie, Go Cruz. How about this? MGC repositioned, squared up for the 3, and got fouled in the process. 26-21.
Ang laki ni Boral sa ibabaw eh.
Coach, pinakamalaking abante ng Perpetual. Puno for 3. Puno knocks it down. Much needed fire extinguisher. Take a look at some of the plays that happened earlier. Hexano showing us the touch from mid-range, and then the counter of the kick out by Gonzalez. Puno nailing his second triple of the game. Puno, kaboom! 3 in the first half for Jomel Puno. First 2 quarters. Nagmamadali ang San Beda. Kalima! Got it! Back-to-back threes for San Beda. And RC Kalima. Pero hindi nila mapigilan ang gusto pa rin itong Perpetual as Yuken opens the scoring with a triple.
Yan ang may nakadelikado na player dito sa team ng San Beda. Yung Yuken.
So far in the first 3.5 minutes. And that ends with a basket from John Abbas.
Yes, magkakaroon talaga ng mga breakdowns. Siyempre, lalo-lalo na yung mga
Ito si Sean Orgo. Here's the feed to John Abbas. Yung sinasabi mo, coach. Heads up play by Sean. But Nigel Gonzalez is feeling it here in the third. Both corners taken per hand here in the third quarter. They've outscored Perpetual 10-2. Kaya sila ngayon ang abante ng 6 na puntos. Goho Cruz from the baseline. This guy.
Short corner. May tira pala siya doon.
And he's now in double figures. 10 points. Brian Sahonia now back in the game. Screen provided by Alina. Sahonia falling down. Here's Yuken. Puno. Puno will operate. Puno with the separation. Puno drops it in.
Big time move. No? Para sa mga skills, ano ko na lang makikita yun eh. Workout eh. Workout move eh.
Jomel Puno around. Orgo. Forward. Pangaran. All the way.
Kung di athletics Pangaran, error yun. Pilipad eh.
So Perpetual turns it off, Sean, on Heart of Asia. It has been an exciting third quarter so far, and Benny Estacio joining the three-point party for the Red Lions. 12 triples for the entire team, pero binawi agad ni John Abbas.
Grabe ang kamay din. Hindi mo rin pwedeng iwan talaga yung Abbas. Kompleto na rin siyang player. Parang na rin si Andrada.
Pero ito, pinapabilis ng Perpetual ang laro. Quick outlet from Orgo. And the touch, Sahonia collects. Sahonia is on the move. Sahonia, Yuken. Top of the key, 3. Estacio in and out. At Payose comes away with the offensive rebound.
Pakita mo tayo nga, no? Sa mag-set ng play.
Ito si Payose. Catch and shoot. Alamas. Enough time for Perpetual to operate, but they lose it. Yuken. Kabo! Big time triple for Yuken Andrada to end the third. And San Beda, Estacio, blowing by Manuel. Estacio takes it to the cup. Good move from Benny Estacio.
Galing niya umubos ang oras. Timing sa atake.
Nakakana ang abante ng San Beda. Look at the blow by Estacio with a quicker first step against Manuel. And he takes this one straight to the basket off the float.
Perpetual. But I'm sure may mga...
Pagana driving right and kissing it off the glass.
Unstoppable siya doon. Pag umatake si Pagaran, hindi mo mapipigil yun.
Orgo against Estacio. Pull-up jumper. He's got it again. Sean Orgo now with 10 points.
Yan. Dapat kailangan iskora mo din si Estacio eh. Hindi pwede ikaw na lang ang tangkap ng
Scooping that one up and in for Pagaran. Again, Sean Orgo nailing confidently this jumper.
Yes, oo. Medyo may counting concern si Coach Olsen doon. Malakas ang tulakan sa ilalim.
Puno! Wow, what a move! Nice cradle. And the layup by Jomel Puno, who now has 16. 4 minutes and 40 seconds left. Drop off. Nunez finishes again.
Unusual yung scoring ni Nunez ngayon. Normally, go Cruz yan eh. Pagaran eh.